Key words of the day. Ceiling, 天花板. It's time to paint the ceiling. 该刷天花板了. Cover it with newspaper. 铺上报纸. It needs a second coat of paint. 再刷一层油漆. All in today's Chinese studio.
Hey, Jia, it's time to paint the ceiling. Would you like to do it?
That surely is a rhetorical question, right, Raymond?
Actually, well, teach me to say it in Chinese, 好吗？
好的 here we go. 该刷天花板了。
该刷天花板了。
该 means ought to or should do something.
该
刷 means to paint.
刷
天花板 the ceiling.
天花板。
该刷天花板了。
该刷天花板了。It's time to paint the ceiling.
下一步该干什么？
该刷天花板了。
While painting the ceiling, I think we need to cover the floor.
That will be useful to catch any drips. Let's cover it with newspaper. 铺上报纸。
铺上报纸。
铺上 means to cover.
铺上
报纸 newspapers.
报纸。
铺上报纸。
铺上报纸。Let's cover the floor with newspaper.
油漆会滴到地板上的。
那就铺上报纸。
The paint is flowing on like a charm. I wonder, will one coat of paint be enough?
Actually, I think it needs a second coat of paint. 再刷一层油漆。
再刷一层油漆。
再 means again.
再
刷 to paint.
刷
一 means one, and 层 is the measure word, which means a layer or a coat of paint.
一层
油漆 the paint.
油漆。
再刷一层油漆。
再刷一层油漆。It needs a second coat of paint.
一层够吗？
不够，得再刷一层油漆。
All done. It's looking good. I'll put up a little sign saying, wet paint, don't touch. How do you write that in Chinese?
Here it is. 油漆未干，请勿触摸。油漆 is the paint.
油漆
未干 means still wet.
未干。
请勿 means please don't do something.
请勿
触摸 to touch.
触摸。
油漆未干，请勿触摸。
油漆未干，请勿触摸。Well, we've done it. Our freshly painted kitchen. Let's head to the learning pub to celebrate.
Before we go anywhere, here's our question of the day. How do you say ceiling in Chinese?